Alright, let me tell you how to create a chart in Excel. Excel offers the features to create an embedded chart in a worksheet. It is displayed along with source data and other information present in a worksheet. An embedded chart is saved within the corresponding worksheet when a workbook is saved. We can also create a chart in the form of a chart sheet which displays only the chart in the entire worksheet area. It is quite simple to create a chart in Excel. Students, let us take a quick view. To create a chart instantly, select the data that you want to present in the chart and then press F11 key. Follow these steps to create a chart. Select the range of cells from the worksheet that contains the source of data for the chart. For example, select the range A2 is to B7. Click on the Insert tab. In the Charts group, select the desired chart category, for example, column, and select the chart subtype from the display choices. The chart appears on your worksheet. You will observe that three new tabs, Design, Layout and Format, appears in the Chart Tools contextual menu. Select the desired layout from the Chart Layouts group on the Design tab. Choose the desired style from the Chart Styles group and observe the change. All the titles, data labels, legend details mentioned in the selected data range will be displayed in the chart. If the selected range has no details about titles, labels, etc., you can insert these in the chart by moving to the Layout tab and clicking on the desired button. To change the data range of your chart, right-click on it and click on the Select Data option from the shortcut menu. The Select Data Source dialog box appears. Click OK after making the desired changes. Excel helps the users to sort and filter data as per the requirements. Here, you will learn how to sort and filter data in various ways that will enable you to analyze the information in an effective manner. Students, now let us find out how to sort data. Sorting means arranging data either in an ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Data can be sorted in rows on the basis of text, numbers, combination of text and numbers or dates. Once the data is organized, it becomes easy to work with. Follow these steps to sort the given data. Open any worksheet and select the data that you want to sort. Click on any cell, say B2. Now select the Sort button in the Sort and Filter group under the Data tab. The entire database will be selected and the Sort dialog box appears. Select the field column on the basis of which you want to sort from the Sort by drop-down list. For example, select the name field. Select the Values option from the Sort on drop-down list. Select the sorting order from the Order drop-down list. By default, A to Z option is selected. Select Z to A option from the drop-down list. You can check the My Data Has Headers checkbox to exclude the first row containing the column headings of your data from sorting. Otherwise, clear the checkbox to include the first row headings in sorting. Click OK. The database will be arranged in descending order on the basis of name column. You can also sort by more than one column. For example, after sorting by name, you want to arrange the list by roll number. To sort by more than one column, follow the given steps. Click on the Add Level button in the Sort dialog box. A new level gets added below the first level. Mention the column name as roll number in the Then By drop-down list and order of the sorting as largest to smallest in the Order drop-down list in the new level. Click OK. Let us now discuss about filtering data. Microsoft Excel provides several ways to analyze data in a list. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to display while it hides the rest of the data temporarily from the view. You can filter a list to display records that meet specific criteria by using AutoFilter command. Select any cell within the database range, say D1. Click on the Filter button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. Filtering arrows will be added to each field name. These arrows are used to specify condition to filter data. Click on the arrow next to the Hindi field name in cell D1. Select the checkboxes of the values 85 and 98 from the drop-down list. Click OK. The list will get filtered and display only those records that meet the criteria of marks 85 and 98. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Legend depicts the colors, patterns or symbols assigned to the data series. It helps to differentiate the data. X-axis of the chart is called category axis and Y-axis of the chart is called value axis. Bar chart displays data in the form of long rectangular rods called bars that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. Pie chart displays data in the form of a circle that is divided into a series of segments. A chart is saved with the corresponding worksheet when a workbook is saved. Sorting means arranging data either in an ascending or descending order in a worksheet. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides the rest of the data temporarily from the view.